All right, long story short, this is probably my 5th jar of the Bold UNIQ product of this hair mask. The first time I received this, they sent it to me to try to do a video on, and I was a little skeptical because I never had run into a purple shampoo that worked. I've tried several of them. I've tried Redken. I've tried the Shimmer Lights, I think it was called, from Sally's. And then I gave up, and oh, actually I tried one more, I think from Target, that came in a little bottle. And none of them really worked for me. I have some brassy undertones in my hair, so when I get it bleached, when they tone it, it really doesn't do as well as I would like. I like my hair to be more of a platinum type, cooler blonde. And that's why I love this product, you guys. The first time I used it, I do admit that I didn't see much of a difference, but I think I was doing it wrong. Actually, I know I was doing it wrong. What you want to do when you use this is you want to make sure you towel dry your hair first before putting this on. So you're going to use your shampoo, and then I don't even use conditioner. I just put this on my hair. So once you shampoo, you rinse it out. You want to towel dry your hair after that. Get it to where it is not dripping wet. Then you're going to take this, massage it into your hair. I use their brush that you can buy to actually brush it through my hair while I'm in the shower to make sure it's getting all the strands. Then I let it sit in for about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't think I've ever let it sit for 10 minutes. Maybe like 7 is the sweet spot. I've never really timed it. I'm just guessing. And sometimes my hair comes out with purple streaks in it, which I don't mind. But that's how well it works. It does lift that brassiness out of your hair. And I love that it's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it's cruelty free, and it is so thick. Let me show you what it looks like. Look how thick this is. It is not dripping out. It's not going to drip out. You can turn it upside down. So this is, I love this stuff. Again, after receiving the product for free, I buy it now because this is the only stuff that works for my hair. Good luck, and I hope you love it as much as I do.